If you found this video today, it was not by chance. Your guardian angels have a special message for you from the past. Someone is struggling to move on without you and deeply desires to re-establish the connection. Your presence has left indelible marks on those you have encountered. Whenever you enter someone's life, you transform it for the better. Your wisdom and kindness bring new perspectives. And your enthusiasm for life inspires admiration and excitement. From the past, there is someone who deeply misses your radiant presence and finds it very difficult to move on without you. Without you by their side, this person's life seems ordinary, lacking the stimulus and adventure you always brought. He clearly recognizes your incredible potential to bring joy and happiness to his life. You are unique and special, and your presence has the power to enrich his life in many significant ways. The experiences you shared and the memories he holds of you are deeply rooted in his daily routine. Every moment you spent together was transformative, bringing new perspectives and positive changes. Your absence, however, created a void that is hard to fill. He misses your light and energy every day, and this affects all aspects of his life, both personally and professionally. Without you, his life has become monotonous and dull. As the days pass, he feels ashamed for not being able to move on and for still needing you so much. He is eager to reconnect, wishing for the opportunity to talk, clarify what was left unresolved, and perhaps revive or even create a new bond. Don't be surprised if someone from the past soon returns to your life. This person feels a deep connection with you and is irresistibly drawn back to you by your radiant and confident energy. The presence you have in his life is something he cannot ignore. From the moment you left his life, he realized how much your absence affected his well-being and happiness. Your reliability and resilience are qualities he has always admired and aspires to regain in his own life. These characteristics make you an irreplaceable presence. The time he spent without you only increased the need he feels to be by your side. Without you, he finds it difficult to move forward and achieve his goals. You are the spark that can light his path to a bright and full of possibilities future. For him, you are the ideal partner who can help him live the life of his dreams. He knows that with you by his side, anything is possible. The strength and positivity you bring are essential for him. It might be someone who frequently crosses your mind or someone who appears sporadically. But for him, you are always present in his thoughts. He never managed to forget the joy and inspiration you brought to his life. Any relationship he had after you could not compare to the happiness you provided. You have always inspired him to strive to be a better person and continue to do so even as time goes by. He is willing to go far, make sacrifices, and demonstrate his commitment to prove that this bond deserves a new chance. Remember that true love knows no boundaries or limitations of time. Even though much time has passed and many things have changed over the years, his feelings for you transcend all those changes. The love he feels is much stronger than any details, circumstances, or distances that might have come between you. The distance between you, whether physical or temporal, has only intensified the bond he feels. Every day that passed without you only reinforced the depth of his feelings and the desire to be close to you again. He might have hesitated to approach you before, perhaps out of fear or insecurity, but now he is determined. Be assured that he will soon take the initiative to reconnect. He can no longer ignore the magnetic attraction he feels for you, a force that irresistibly pulls him in your direction. You are a force of nature, a presence that profoundly touches the lives of everyone you meet, whether briefly or for a long time. Your energy, your light, and your character leave an indelible mark. For him, this connection is something rare and precious, something he cannot find anywhere else. This person from your past is finding it very difficult to leave you behind. He no longer wants to live with you as just a distant and bitter memory. He wants you to be part of his present, not just a memory from the past that he constantly longs for. He wants you in his future, actively participating in his life, sharing moments, and building new memories together. At this moment, he is carefully considering the best way to approach you to ensure that his attempt at reconnection is successful. He wants to get it right and not risk pushing you away again. He is aware that any mistake could be fatal to his chances of bringing you back into his life. Approaching you is extremely important to him because he knows that his life is not complete without you. You are a fundamental piece of his life's puzzle, and he understands that reconnecting with you is the first step for him to feel whole again. The time that has passed since this person was in your life has seen you grow, progress, and become even more independent and self-sufficient. You have continued to move forward, trusting in yourself and in the universe's plan to live the best life possible, while he remained stuck in the void of your absence. This person from your past very much wants to be part of the life you have created for yourself. He deeply admires your success and everything you have achieved. He feels that without you, he will never be able to come close to what you can achieve in the future. For him, staying behind and living without you is not an option, because you have never been forgotten. Your presence and impact are constant in his mind and heart. When he approaches you, it will be crucial to listen to what he has to say. He is determined to show that he recognizes the value of the connection you share and wants to be part of your present and future. This bond is returning to your life with the clear purpose of improving it and bringing more happiness and fulfillment to both of you. His desire is to walk by your side and contribute to your continuous well-being and success. The universe is acting in this situation to guide you, if you allow it. Your guardian angels have sent this message to prepare you for the surprise and the emotions you may feel when this person from your past reaches out to you again. Be absolutely sure that this person does not intend to cause you any harm or negative consequences. He sees you as a source of positivity in his life and is seeking to bring back your light and the beneficial influence you have always had. His return highlights the positive impact you had on his life. You are generous and fair to everyone you meet, and it is essential that you always remain true to yourself. Your ability to love deeply and be a force of light for others is a rare and precious quality. This person from your past recognizes this and is drawn back to you because of these qualities that make you who you are. Know that you are deeply loved and have a great capacity to love others, something that has not gone unnoticed by those who have been fortunate enough to cross your path. Trust in the universe and its plans for you. This reunion is not by chance. It is an opportunity carefully orchestrated by cosmic forces to bring growth and happiness to both of you. Be open to all the new and returning opportunities that life presents to you. Sometimes, the most wonderful things come as surprises, and this may be one of those moments when the unexpected brings with it a chance for renewed happiness. Allow yourself to feel and explore the emotions that arise when this person reaches out to you. He is motivated by a genuine desire to reconnect and build something meaningful with you. Your presence in his life was, and still is, a source of inspiration and joy, something he has not found in anyone else. By reconnecting, he seeks to rekindle that flame and bring back the light you always radiated. This is a time to trust your heart and the guidance of the universe. Be ready to listen, understand, and, if you feel inclined, accept this person back into your life. Remember that your generosity, fairness, and capacity to love are gifts that enrich not only your life, but also the lives of those around you. By remaining true to yourself and your inherent qualities, you create a space where love and positivity can flourish. The return of this person can be an opportunity for both of you to grow and evolve together, learning from the past and building a brighter future. Embrace this chance with an open mind and a receptive heart. Trust that the universe has grand plans for you and that every experience, good or bad, contributes to your growth and well-being. This reunion could be one of those unexpected gifts that life brings, offering a new perspective and the possibility of a deeper, more meaningful love. By accepting this person back, you are not just welcoming someone from your past, but also allowing new possibilities to unfold in your life. Believe in the power of love and the wisdom of the universe to guide you on the right path. Be ready to embrace this new phase with confidence and optimism, knowing that you are deserving of all the wonders that life has to offer. Let us conclude with a prayer. Lord, in this moment of prayer, I humbly ask for your guidance and divine grace for the one who is in the process of reconnecting with this person from the past. May your loving hand guide her on the path of love and understanding as she faces this unexpected return. Please fill her heart with discernment and wisdom, so she may accept the unexpected with an open mind and a compassionate spirit. Surround her with your protective light, enveloping her in a mantle of security and tranquility. Remind her of her own strength and dignity in love, fortifying her spirit so she can handle this situation with grace and confidence. May she feel your presence by her side, giving her the courage to express her deepest feelings and to open her heart to love and reconciliation. May your divine light illuminate her path, dispelling all doubts and fears, and bringing clarity and peace to her heart. Lord, bless each step she takes on this journey of reconnection, and grant her the serenity to embrace this new opportunity with hope and optimism. May she feel your divine protection, knowing she is upheld by your infinite love. Strengthen her, Lord, so she may see the beauty in new possibilities and keep her heart always full of love and compassion. Amen. Take a moment to let these words resonate in your soul. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Mark 7:77 to receive this message and the blessing contained within it. To reinforce the blessing, try sharing this video with 5 other people who might also benefit from the blessings and assistance contained within it. Did you know that you can now see a possible image of your soulmate? It might be someone you know or someone you have yet to meet. It's surprising how accurate these images can be. You should see the picture to understand what I'm talking about. Click the link in the description to get the outline of your soulmate. In the next video, an important message awaits you. I sincerely hope that each word has touched your heart and that you have found inspiration and comfort in our messages of love and hope. It is essential that you always remember you are not alone on this journey. There is a higher force that cares for you every step of the way, guiding and protecting you. May these words resonate deeply in your soul, bringing peace and comfort in times of trial. Now is the time to take this flame of faith and love to the world, spreading it to those who need it most. Share these messages with your loved ones, for together we can bring light and hope to those in darkness. Be an agent of positive change, illuminating the lives of those around you with kindness and compassion. Stay with God in every step you take, until the next moment of peace and comfort. May your faith continue to grow and strengthen, always guiding you towards the path of love and hope. Amen.